హలో గైస్, వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు ద న్యూ వీడియో. ఈ వీడియోలో మనం రోల్ ఆఫ్ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ డెవలపర్ ఇన్ టెక్ కంపెనీస్ అనే దాని గురించి మాట్లాడుకుందాం. నేను 2 days బ్యాక్ ఒక వీడియో చేశా, టాప్ 5 రోల్స్ టు గెట్ జాబ్ ఇన్ 2025. ఇంకా ఎవరైనా చూడకపోతే చూసేయండి, ఇక్కడ ఐకార్డ్స్లో వేస్తా. అండ్ అందులో నేను సాఫ్ట్వేర్ డెవలపర్ ఆర్ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ ఇంజనీర్ గురించి జస్ట్ చెప్పాను. బట్ ఈ వీడియోలో ఫుల్ డీటెయిల్గా వాళ్ళు ఏం చేస్తారు, ఆ రోల్కి మనం ఏ స్కిల్స్ నేర్చుకోవాలి, యాప్ డెవలపర్ అంటే ఎవరు, వెబ్ డెవలపర్ అంటే ఎవరు, గేమ్ డెవలపర్ అంటే ఎవరు, ఆ రోల్ రావడానికి మనం ఏ స్కిల్స్ నేర్చుకోవాలి ఎక్సెట్రా ఎక్సెట్రా అన్నది చూద్దాం. సాఫ్ట్వేర్ డెవలపర్స్, వీళ్ళని సాఫ్ట్వేర్ ఇంజనీర్స్ అని కూడా అంటారు. వీళ్ళు బ్యాక్ బోన్ ఆఫ్ టెక్ ఇండస్ట్రీ అండ్ ఆల్సో బిల్డర్స్ ఆఫ్ టెక్ వరల్డ్. వీళ్ళు మేజర్గా డిజైనింగ్, కోడింగ్ అండ్ మెయింటైనింగ్ ద సాఫ్ట్వేర్ దట్ పవర్స్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ వెబ్సైట్స్ టు మొబైల్ యాప్స్. యాజ్ ఎ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ డెవలపర్, you will have the opportunity to shape the digital world. And now we will explore the roles of app, web, game developers and what you need to learn to start your journey in each field. ఈ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ డెవలపర్స్లో కేటగిరైజ్ అవుతారు. ఇఫ్ ఎ పర్సన్ ఈజ్ బిల్డింగ్ యాప్స్, దెన్ వీ కాల్ హిమ్ యాప్ డెవలపర్. సిమిలర్లీ, ఇఫ్ ఎ పర్సన్ ఈజ్ బిల్డింగ్ వెబ్సైట్స్, దెన్ వీ కాల్ హిమ్ వెబ్ డెవలపర్. And for games, game developer. And now we will start with app developer. App developer is specialized for creating applications for mobile devices. These apps can range from simple tools like calculators to complex platforms like social media apps like Instagram, Snapchat, WhatsApp, Facebook, or any e-commerce apps like Amazon, Flipkart, etc. etc. In this app development, there are two main ecosystems. They are, first one, iOS, apps for Apple devices. And in this ecosystem, we developed by using Swift or Objective-C languages. Second one, Android, apps for Android devices. And for this ecosystem, we developed by using Java or Kotlin languages mainly. And now we discuss about to become an app developer, what you have to learn. First one, mobile development frameworks. We have to learn frameworks for app development as like Flutter and React Native to build apps for both iOS and Android. Second, design principles. While creating apps, we have to understand user experience and user interface designs, because this will play crucial for creating initiative apps. And third, app store deployment. In this, we have to know how to deploy or publish our apps on App Store for Apple and Google Play Store for Android is essential. And now we will discuss the role of web developer. Mainly web developers build and also maintain websites and web applications, and this web development area is divided into three main areas: front-end, back-end, full stack. Now we will discuss one by one. Front-end. The visual part of website means what we see in website which users interact with is mainly the front-end part. Second one, back-end. This is main server-side logic that powers the website. Here we have to work on logic parts mainly. Third one, full stack. This is the combination of both front end and back end part, is nothing but full stack development. And now we will discuss what we have to learn for each development. Okay, first we discuss for front end. For this, the main key technologies are HTML, CSS and JavaScript are essential for creating layout and interactive elements. And also, after learning these technologies, you have to learn frameworks like React, Angular, Vue.js. This make development more efficient. And now, for backend, we have to learn major key technologies are for Python side Django, Ruby, and in JavaScript side Node.js, and in Java side Spring Boot, and some of our nails and etc are commonly used to handle server side logic and database interactions. And also for database we have to learn any of MySQL, PostgreSQL, MongoDB, etc. And mainly after developing website, we have to understand how to deploy and manage websites on cloud platforms like AWS or Azure is also the valuable skills. And now we discuss about the role of game developer. Game developers design and build video games, creative storytelling experiences, and for this game development involves for programming. They will use languages like C# for Unity and C++ for Unreal Engine to write game logic. And for game design like creating engaging gameplay mechanics and storylines. Also this involves 3D modeling and animations. Here they will be designing characters, environments and animations using tools like Blender, Maya or 3D Max. Last, sound design. This will plays major role, adding audio effects and background music to enhance the gaming experience. And also, after knowing these all technologies, we have to collaborating with artists, designers and sound engineers is common in game development, making teamwork an important aspect of the job. I said all about technical skills, and nowadays in society, along with technical skills, soft skills plays a crucial role in success as a developer. These soft skills include effective communication, problem solving, and adaptability are key in this development role. ఈ సాఫ్ట్ స్కిల్స్ ఎందుకంటే మెయిన్గా మనం ఈ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ చేసిన తరువాత we often involve collaboration across different teams and listen their ideas and feedback is invaluable. And while working in teams, time management and the ability to work under deadlines are also important, especially when working on larger projects. And at last, the tech industry evolves rapidly. So, continuous learning is must. Stay updated with latest technologies, tools, and best practices, or by following tech blogs, attending webinars, YouTube videos, taking online courses, etc. And also, building a portfolio. Regardless of which path you choose, building a portfolio is essential. Your portfolio showcases your skills and projects to potential employers or clients. Remember, I am telling once again, every great coder was once a beginner. Take the first step today and your journey to becoming a successful developer begins now. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe our channel and stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and let us know about how this video is in comment section. And అలాగే మీరు ఏ డెవలప్మెంట్ పాత్ స్టార్ట్ చేయడానికి ఫుల్ ఎక్సైటెడ్గా ఉన్నారు అన్నది కూడా కామెంట్ చేయండి. ఓకే గైస్, థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ వాచింగ్. లెట్స్ మీట్ ఇన్ నెక్స్ట్ వీడియో.